Hi, this is Anirban here from ZTS Infotech AI News Desk. LangGraph is the framework serious developers reach for when an agent needs real memory, branching logic, and multiple steps that depend on each other, not just a simple back and forth chat. The problem has always been the learning curve. Graph-based agent design is genuinely difficult to think in. Here is how our team actually gets around that vibe coding it instead of handwriting the graph. Think of LangGraph as building a full org chart for your AI system: who reports to whom, what happens if a step fails, where the loop repeats. Normally you would draw that org chart in code line by line. Instead, we describe it in plain English to Claude Code: build me an agent that researches a topic, then hands off to a second agent that writes the draft, then a third that fact checks it before anything ships, and Claude writes the actual LangGraph structure behind that description. Here is the part that matters even more: correcting it. When one step in that chain misbehaves, we do not dig through 400 lines of graph code manually. We just say the fact checking step is approving things it should reject, fix the routing logic, and Claude modifies that exact node without breaking the rest of the graph. Here is the honest trade-off. LangGraph gives you precise control any model provider can plug into. It is more code and more setup than a simpler single agent tool. Vibe coding through Claude Code is what makes that complexity actually usable day to day, instead of a barrier that stops most teams from building this properly at all. At ZTS Infotech, this is exactly how we build and maintain multi-step client agents now. This is Anirban, ZTS Infotech AI News Desk, signing off. Stay sharp, stay ahead.